Welcome to the iOS 18 home screen customization guide, where I'll show you how to optimize, organize, and embellish your iPhone's home screen running iOS 18. From your home screen, tap and hold some empty space until your app icons start to shake. You can then tap on Edit on the top left and select Customize. First, let's switch from light to dark mode or vice versa when tapping on the sun icon on the bottom left. Adjust this based on your personal preference. You can also change the app icon size from the default small size to large, which will in addition remove the app icon names. I personally prefer this for now, but might switch back in the future. Below, adjust the app icon hue between automatic, dark or light. You can also use a color tint to unify the color scheme of your app icons. Select Tinted and then choose a color of your preference. Below, you can adjust this saturation slider and move it all the way to the left to make your app icons monochromatic. Next, open up your control panel to toggle dark mode. As you can see, this will also impact your app icons, and it might change the color tint of your wallpaper, depending on which one you're using. As you might know from the previous iOS version, you can now easily add new widgets to your home screen. Tap and hold your wallpaper, select Edit, and then Add Widget. Here, look up your favorite apps to see which widgets they offer. A new feature in iOS 18 is the ability to place your apps on your home screen without falling back when removing the previous app from the list. They won't float up, but rather stick to their position when placed in a previously impossible position. When this is done, there are some additional wallpaper options to explore. Open up your native settings app and head to the wallpaper section. Here, tap on Customize from your home screen wallpaper, and you'll be able to change the wallpaper type from pair to color, gradient, or photo. You can also toggle the blur option on or off based on your personal preference. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.